All right, so we're here at the Expo 2022, and glad to be back. All right, all masked up. You have to be masked up to go in this year. And the weather's absolutely beautiful in Phoenix, Arizona this time of year. I think race weather, I think they're predicting 65, 68 degrees. Whew. That's great running. Whew. Let's go. What do you guys think? 23, should that be the marathon? The full marathon instead of the half? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks. Hi. 17,
8. And then a photo ID. Perfect. Okay, so you're going to be at Corral 3 on Sunday. Make sure you fill out your emergency contact information for the race. This is your timing sheet, so don't fold it or wrinkle it before then. Safety pins if you need them. That's for ear check if you need them as well on Sunday. And then you're just going to take this and go to the t-shirt and bag section.
Thank you.
Good luck.
All right. All right. Got the official John Schott's tag. Woohoo. Step 2, got the shirt. We're going through. Let's check it out. All right, well, that was the whole expo. Probably because of the COVID, a lot of vendors decided not to come, but that's okay, because we're gonna race. Woo!
In due time.
Well,
Neither is there salvation in any
race
other,
day.
for there is
I've
no
got-
other name under heaven given among men by which we must be saved.
At least we'll have Jesus on our side this morning. So, already here at ASU, getting ready to run the race. I've got the red, white, and blue, representing red, white, and blue, and RWB. Got the Hoka Oneones on shorts. Okay, One shoes, Exoskin socks, feeling good, and it looks like we got a race gonna go on. Elites are getting warmed up, we're coming in, woohoo! I'm excited to race again, that's for sure.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly lads flee, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight. Oh, the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streamed, and rugged red bombs bursting in air gave proof through the land that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Tempe Zone, Olivia Calderon, once again nailing that
Well, if that
national anthem.
doesn't
Thank
pump
you
you
so
up,
much.
I don't know what
Once
will.
again for being with us several years in a row. She is off to perhaps go back to work. Thank you so much for being here. We are going to get our wheel off and running,
All right,
rolling.
going to
Part of our
corral
rock and
3.
roll. Gotta have a roller. We're gonna get out on the course first, and then we will bring up.
All
our
right, well, I'm
Dr.
in corral
Thomas
3, so let's go get in the corral. Woo.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and group. Alright, step on up. Everybody load in these corrals. We're gonna take 9 people. Every 2 seconds you're gonna hear
All right, we're moving up in the corral 3. Right there we go. And gonna take one of the, try to get behind one of these big guys, draft a little bit for a couple miles. And woo, we got a race going on.
We're so fortunate in our community that we get support from ASU to be here. And the cities that we have to run to, we have a constable with us, your duty, because it's like a quarterback, you have to make sure that the path is clear. You are a sustainability expert. In a time of when we need sustainability, you're a great asset to this community.
All right, well, let's see if we can warm up on the first mile. Woo. All right, you're back. Right off the bat, first mile, my thing came off, my thing hit my GoPro and turned it off. I couldn't get back on. But almost mile 3 check-in. Mile 3 check-in, or 2.75, 8:10, 22 minutes. Woo. All right, coming into Sky Sun. Five miles, 5:21, 43 minutes. Woo. All right, let's keep this going. Woo-hoo. Good job, guys. Woo-hoo. 7.5 miles. Woohoo! Uphill. Next 2 miles uphill. Let's go. Red, white, and blue, baby. Red, white, and blue. Woo. Woo. Red, white, and blue, baby. Right here.
Got it, got it.
I love it. Thank you. Red, white, and blue, baby.
Just ahead.
Somewhere.
Great job. It's RWB.
Red, white, and blue, baby. Woo.
RWB, nice to have you.
Oh, so emotional.
Hey, want to come from? Yes, sir. Keep going, man. Keep going.
You got it. Keep pushing. You got it.
RWB.
Woo-hoo. Go Eagle. You up. You up.
Red, white, and blue, baby. Woo. Just came out, pop, go. We're going down. Woohoo! Training with Johnny Schott. We gotta go back up there. Yep. Downhill now. Let's go. Woohoo! All downhill now. Nine and a half mile mark. Woo! $11-mile check-in, 8:15 pace. Woo! Keep going. Mile 12. I'm dying. Woo. One more mile to go. Let's go. Wow, they changed the end. Woo. Let's keep pushing.
Coming in hot, looking good. Half marathon. 13.1 miles. He's gonna smile any second about it.
just finished up. All right, guys, well, that was definitely a different finish. Never finished up on top of the bridge. I'll have to end up putting my times on the I'll have to end up putting my time on the video afterwards, but all finished up. I think I finished pretty strong. Whew. It's not easy getting old, man. It's really hard. So they do a really good job here of getting everybody in, and got a lot of treats. Oh, I like these. Thank you. Best beer is always the beer after a race. Thanks everybody for supporting. I love you all, and God bless America. All right, well, we're all done. We're all finished up, but boy, I'll tell you, that was pretty crazy at the end. We had, I don't know, they had the ending all blocked off, but yet we all got together. It was so packed of the tunnel that you went through, so can't exactly figure it out, but
You're disappointed you didn't get a real beer.
and they didn't give out real beers. You got to get a non-alcoholic Heineken, but so you buy a beer. So, but we got them, and it was a great time. I love this stuff. I love racing again, even though it's crazy and still not back to normal. It's sure good to race with all the people. I had a great time today. I appreciate Julie coming out and supporting me, Coach. Running for those who can't. KP. And God bless America. Woo. This is Training with Johnny Shots.